reka tse ba di reka ba collect the whole list ya ba re go ba enyake a re ba e calculator ke bokae ge ba tshwantse ba patale o founela yo mongwe wa mo kerekeng gore re mama hao a o fe phini o la ke mo ka bantšha phini ba mo fa gore phini ke 1 2 3 4 o re a ba mo fa phini o re ba mo ganetse ka yona wa ke phetolele o tšetše ba difone tšona o collectile tše dintši le zane o re a ye go yena phone le zane le o setse o ba ya mo khuka go seng so ke re bana ba modimo re pholositšwa kere mara re se ka ba easily target re se ka ba di-easy target verify everything batho ba ba melleng go ba tšhabetše ko melleng ba mo tracker ka phone fortunately enough ba tsamaya ka maoto ba change koloi ya mashirinda ba ya ka koloi e nngwe ya ba wana ba khona mo khumana because the koloi ya mashirinda wa itse so bule ka matlo le o ka entate Zulu o tla mfonela maphodisa ntshwareleng ena le mmele ena go morago
o boletse it's fine o boletse then wena wa tsamaya le mang
o tla o di bethada
o ka malwela
a ke nna ke le mo mmerekong ke bereka mo kerekeng a ntse nna a nskeme phone ya ka wa dlala wena wa dlala iPhone jispiel wena jispiel
wena intombi zakho zale elisukisiki
mfepela
ebhofolo indawo yamageza
pero mama utlella ra bolela outfit o
watsore so fa bona ntse re fileng yona
bona mme o krile phone ya hae ka mo bekeng ya hae
ai
a se yona
una tsere phone ya
a re chargera e wile go
o mphile yona
ile charger
a re ke chargera ya hae a re ke chargera ya hae ke mo tshwarele solang
kanto betile phone ya
hello wa dlala yo.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So that lady was caught in church, you guys. She was caught in church because she had allegedly stolen an iPhone in town during the week, and they had managed to track this lady. The person whose phone has been stolen came to the church, of course, with a police officer, and they found this lady with the iPhone that they had been looking for over a week. And she was caught red-handed with the iPhone in her bag. You know, to top it all off, she had to endure that humiliation by the pastor, who then took her to the pulpit in front of the church, in front of the whole congregation, you guys, to expose this lady and tell the rest of the church that this lady did this and that. You know, basically this pastor exposed this lady's criminal activity in front of the rest of the church. Now, however, people in the comment section are actually fuming, saying, what kind of a church is this? Couldn't they have dealt with this matter, you know, professionally, like godly, Christian-like? You know, couldn't they have sat down with this lady and maybe talked to her, with her properly, you know, instead of including like TikTok and you know, people taking videos and pictures of this lady, humiliating this lady, of course, who is somebody else's mother. People were saying, yes, she did steal, we understand that, but there could have been a more better approach. You know, you could have told the congregations not to take pictures or videos of this lady, because this is such an embarrassment to her, not only to her but to her children also. Couldn't you have maybe let the police take her peacefully without, you know, having her endure the humiliation, whereby she will now be seen nationally, she will be seen at work, and her children will be humiliated in school? People were saying this is not a church of God, but something else. You guys, anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.